How's it going? This is Ed from ClicksGeek, and I just want to shoot a quick video testimonial for Lane from Quantum Newswire. Lane had been telling me about his program or his software for a good amount of time and kind of just dismissed it. I didn't think press releases still were that effective. You know, get some basic signals from it, and then that was it. But the stuff that he taught me about stacking PRs and what you could do and all the different strategies around press releases that were possible and really cost effective were really interesting. So I hopped onto his software and I gave it a run. And I've got to say I'm really impressed with the technology. It's really easy to use. You can, from a local perspective, you can embed. It's actually not an embed. It's a live map call. So it pulls map data into the press release if you'd like. It gives structured citations. It does all sorts of things. It allows you to pick what's going to be a no-follow, a do-follow and a no-follow. And it basically makes the process of doing press releases super easy. So it shows you where to put a headline, shows you what the body should be, what it should look like. Make suggestions for anchors or make suggestions for links. It's an awesome platform. It's really, really easy to use. I signed up yesterday. I'd say within, what did I do? About 3 o'clock yesterday. Probably about 3:45. The press release was done and ready for launch. And I had the thing published within an hour from that. It was super fast. It was really easy to use. Wake up this morning. And I see the press release all over the typical distribution channels, all the ABC, NBC type stuff, and it was super easy. So now we're going to be rolling out a strategy where we start stacking PR stuff that I've learned from Lane that appear to be really effective in the case studies that he's been showing me. One other thing I'd like to talk about on his software. There's an entire knowledge base section where if you don't know how to use any of this stuff, if you don't know what I'm talking about with the PR stacking stuff, the interlinking of press releases, that kind of stuff, there's a knowledge base that'll walk you through all that stuff and how to implement it. It's really, I gotta say, I was impressed when I logged into the software. I didn't really know what to expect. Having used some other providers in the past, this is just a very different experience. The software is very slick. There's a WordPress plugin as well that you can actually turn a page on your website into your press room. So your website becomes the actual source of the content rather than being attributed back to it. So it's the source of it. And also there's some really cool functionality in there where it actually will embed or actually show you no-follow links of where you're actually getting links from. So there's a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool tech in there. But this video is not to get technical. Sorry for the super long video here. The purpose of this video is to say thank you to Lane. You and your team have built some really cool tech, and I'm really excited to implement it and use it. The platform is a breeze. It's super simple. You take the idiot out of the equation, and I certainly had some questions going into it, and the way you process things out internally make it really easy to use. So I'm a fan. And I just want to say thank you and give you a thumbs up, and I hope everyone gives this a shot. Thanks. Bye.